Well, hey guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mark, and today we're creating a outline text effect in Photoshop in 1 minute. So as you can see, I've created a black background on a new document. Let's grab our text tool by pressing T on the keyboard, and let's type in some text. I'm going to type the cool stroke. Now we'll center that up. Alright, let's right click our text layer and select blending options. Okay, now you can tick stroke and select it. First thing you can do is choose the color of your outline. So I'm going to stick with this green color. We're going to make a stroke of around about 20 pixels. Click back on your blending options here and reduce the fill opacity to 0. And just like that, we've created our outline text. Hit OK. Now also another cool thing you can do is we can hold down Option on our keyboard, or Alt if you're using a Windows computer. Drag the text down and it makes a duplicate of it. Drag it again and we'll make a few lines of text here. Now we're going to select all these layers by holding Shift. I'm going to right click and then convert it to a smart object. Now we can distort this text without affecting the original text file. For example, we could do a spherize filter. Or we could also do a twirl filter. And it's as easy as that to make cool looking outline text in Photoshop in 1 minute. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.